Hi, I'm Amy, Captain Cork downtown. My favorite thing to give this holiday season is the Dragon's Milk gift set. Stop on in today and buy one now.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm here at the Captain Cork DuPont location. Here during the holiday season, my favorite thing is to help customers come in and really find the best gift set idea, whether it being a gift set or bourbon or wine. It really satisfies me when they walk out the door finding the best thing for their loved one, whether it be a family member or significant other. So that's really my favorite part. So thank you and come in soon.
Hi, I'm Rocket from the Covington Captain Cork store. My favorite drink for the holidays is bourbon, as it is any other day of the week. Why mess with perfection? Cheers to you.